आजको दिनमा lucrative business के होला त 2023 मा कसैले सोचिरहेछ रे हैन this can be no age barrier हैन somebody is thinking that okay कि नयाँ बिजनेस सुरु गरौँ नि त किनभने सबैजनाले आफूले जानेको कुरा मात्र हाम्रो देशमा गर्दैनन् फेरि ऊ त्यसले रेस्टुरेन्ट खोले म पनि रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्छु ऊ त्यसले मिडिया कम्पनी पडकास्ट सुरु गरे म पनि गर्छु हैन अब somebody is opened a fintech company हैन कतै न कतैबाट सपोज हैन हैन म पनि खोल्छु भनेर लागिपरेपछि अब at the end of the day what is if you had to define it, what is a lucrative business this way?
I can start.
Let me give the blunt answer and then you can say the actual. The blunt answer, Nepalma is trading.
Thank you.
सबभन्दा सजिलो 100 मा ल्याउ 500 मा बेचवाला हैन सबभन्दा सजिलो हैन बट अलि सस्टेनेबिलिटी फ्युचर उसमा हुन्छ अरु छन् यु स्पीक एन्ड
अब बीइङ अ टेक हैन टेकलाई त छोड्नु सो टेकले चाहिँ सबै इन्डस्ट्री टु सम एक्सटेन्ट छुन्छ भनौँ न 95% अफ द इन्डस्ट्री टेकले छुने भयो अहिले चाहिँ एनिथिङ टेक इनेबल्ड गर्न सक्यो भने चाहिँ you're already leapfrogging lot of challenges in terms of quality, production, time, यो सबै हिसाबले तिमीले leapfrogging गर्न सक्यो. For me, what I've been preaching is let's think about solutions that are local, solutions that matter to us, solutions that are related to us as a country, as culturally, as uniqueness that we bring to the world as a country. त्यो solutionलाई चाहिँ internationalize पनि गराउन सक्ने गरी. Right, all the solutions that we have, that we inherit from outside the world is not catered as much to us. Right, so why not, we, हाम्रो young populationहरूलाई त्यो भन्न चाहन्छु always think of local problems. तिम्रो जहिले पनि innovation कसरी निस्किन्छ भने things that you're doing every day. हैन त्यहाँबाट नै creativity innovation निस्किन सक्छ. जसलाई चाहिँ तिमीले you're dealing it, you're facing the problem and you have a solution and if you can integrate with tech and you can have a grassroots survival type mindset ले bootstrap गरेर लगेर to some extent लग्न सक्छौ and you're still resilient and still there, then you have a solution to take it to the rest of the world and then people will believe in you, people will be behind you, right? So that's so important. We still think internationally, we still think tech-enabled, we still think solutions that are local uniqueness to us and to our community that not only solves our problem, but to the rest of the world. I think you solutions अब हामी सोच्न सक्छौँ. हामीले चाहिँ के सोच्छौँ भने नेपाललाई त हुँदैन, नेपाली problemsहरू हुँदैन, यो हुँदैन. So we close our minds. The solution, the creativity, the innovation is right around you. To as simple as अब त्यो agricultureमा त्यस्तै छ. If you walk into any businesses, if you look around, so many creative solutions that you can provide. त्यो openness नै भएन क्या हाम्रो young forceमा चाहिँ. We are so त्यो एकदमै क्लोज्ड माइन्डसेटमा चाहिँ हामीले हाम्रो बच्चाहरूलाई हुर्काइरहेछौँ कि जस्तो लागिरहेछ कि दोज द्याट डोन्ट भ्याल्यु आवर कल्चर यो सोसाइटी नै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छैन, वेस्टर्न सोसाइटीमा त इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ, त्यो मात्र टाइपले भन्दाखेरि पनि फर मी आई थिङ्क द यङ निड्स टु थिङ्क फ्रम यो एङ्गल्सहरूमा. आई थिङ्क दे क्यान बी कम्पिटेटिभ एन्ड दे क्यान बी अहेड अफ द रेस्ट अफ द वर्ल्ड जस्तो लाग्छ.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.